The 2014 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 concept. It's no secret the truck world is excited to have GM's new midsize truck twins, the Colorado and Canyon, rolling off the assembly line. Their smaller size means they're easier to drive while their powerful gasoline powertrains keep all the truck-style capabilities truck buyers demand. Chevrolet also knows truck buyers sometimes venture off the beaten path, so good off-road abilities are a welcomed feature. But even the mighty Z71 package can't match this bad boy, Chevy's latest concept, the Colorado ZR2. The truck comes complete with tons of trail-ready hardware, an extra-wide stance with beefy tires, a built-in winch, electronic locking differentials front and rear, and best of all, GM's new 2.8-liter Duramax 4-cylinder turbo diesel. The baby Duramax is an engine GM promised right off the bat with the new Colorado and Canyon trucks, though it wouldn't become available until the 2016 model year. Well, the time has come for the engine to make its big debut, and we can't think of a better way than in this purpose-built concept truck. While few concept vehicles actually made it to production, this one might actually have a shot. Chevy offered the ZR2 off-road package between 1994 and 2003 on the S10 pickup, the predecessor to the Colorado. Now in its second model year, 2016 would be a perfect chance to add such a package to the Colorado's trim packages, especially considering the Z71 is no longer the standalone off-road package it used to be. Updated January 23, 2015, we've added a series of new images from the car's official debut at the 2015 Detroit Auto Show. Check the new images in the Pictures tab. Click past the jump to read more about the Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 concept. Official video. Exterior. A custom rear bumper matches the theme of the front, including the D-rings. There's obviously a ton of stuff going on here. For starters, Chevy began with an extended cab Colorado. The truck was then given a new grille design that flows into the new front bumper. The bumper includes a built-in electric winch and aluminum D-ring shackles as recovery points. The sides of the bumper flow outward into the widened fenders that cover Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac tires mounted on custom wheels with an anodized aluminum, bead lock style, beauty ring. Around the sides are rocker panel guards protecting the bodywork. A custom rear bumper matches the theme of the front, including the D-rings. Chevy's Gear-On cargo system holds down a full-size spare tire and extra equipment. Lastly, the hood gets a treatment similar to the Camaro ZL1's raised power dome and louvers. The truck is coated in a concept shade of cypress green paint. Interior. Standard Colorado pictured. The interior is dressed up with jet black leather seating with orange stitching. The off-road design theme continues on the inside with an inclinometer that shows the degree of incline the truck is on. Chevy also added in a bank of auxiliary toggle switches that control the front winch and the electronic locking differentials. The interior is dressed up with jet black leather seating with orange stitching. The headrests are embroidered with the ZR2 logo for that extra touch, while the floors are covered in specialized liners that keep dirt and mud at bay. Drivetrain. Besides being a torque monster, the engine should also boost the Colorado to the top of the MPG heap. There is one aspect of the Colorado ZR2 we know will head to production, and that's the 2.8-liter Duramax 4-cylinder turbodiesel. The news has been out since GM released the Colorado and Canyon twins, though we knew we'd have to wait on getting the engine until 2016. The engine packs an estimated 181 horsepower at 3,400 revolutions per minute and a stump-pulling 369 pound-feet of torque at 2,000 revolutions per minute. Combine that torque with the Colorado's low-range transfer case, and this bad boy will be walking up mountains without breaking a sweat. Besides being a torque monster, the engine should also boost the Colorado to the top of the MPG heap. We're estimating that this truck will break the 35 mpg mark when the EPA testing comes out. Like its gasoline brethren, the Duramax is backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. Drivetrain specifications. Prices. An extended cab Colorado with the top trim Z71 package and 2.5-liter, 4-cylinder gas engine starts around $32,000, count on a premium for the diesel, perhaps around $2,000, and another price hike of another $2,000 for the ZR2 package. That puts the starting price for the concept shown here right at $36,000. If the ZR2 does go into production, Chevy will likely offer the 3.6-liter V6 as the standard engine with the Duramax as the option. Competition: 2015 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. Toyota has launched a serious update to its aging Tacoma truck with the new TRD Pro series. The package adds on a capable suspension package from Fox Racing along with off-road spec wheels and tires. Underbody skid plating protects the vital parts with its raised ground clearance helps it avoid obstacles in the first place. Like always, the 4.0-liter V6 is found under the Taco's hood, producing the familiar 236 horsepower and 266 pound-feet of torque. The engine is backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission and a manual shifting transfer case. Pricing for the Tacoma TRD Pro starts at $38,300. 2015 Nissan Frontier PR04X. Seemingly even older than the Tacoma is the Nissan Frontier. It comes with its Pro 4X package that includes upgraded Bilstein shocks, hill descent and hill start control, and an electronic locking rear differential. The Nissan still comes powered with its 4.0-liter V6 making 261 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque. Nissan does offer a 6-speed manual transmission as an option. Pricing for the Nissan Frontier PR04X starts at $31,435 with no options. Conclusion: the Colorado ZR2 seems like a smart move on GM's part to make a competitive truck with a class-leading powerplant and off-road abilities. While the ZR2 does have some stiff competition with the Tacoma TRD Pro, the Toyota's ancient 4.0-liter V6 is just no match for the Duramax's 369 pound-feet of torque. We just have our fingers crossed that GM takes the ZR2 concept into production. Love it. Excellent off-road prowess. New 2.8-liter Duramax could actually make production. Leave it. Winch and bumpers won't likely make showrooms. No official green light.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.